Another update here on the Tempo. I've gone and I've replaced all of the plug wires and the main plug wire that goes to the coil and everything. Before, I only changed the one that looked corroded, and yeah, basically it made a substantial difference. It's idling so smooth, and the performance is a lot better. Like it's actually got some pickup now, and on the highway it's just really nice and everything. And you can see let's go take a look at this idle. I don't know if you can hear this at all, but it's really nice and consistent. It's not shuddering like it was before. You could just listen. There's the new wires. Still haven't put that new alternator in, as you can tell. Let's go around and just have a little listen to the exhaust. Not too bad. One little thing at a time, right? All right. Okay, thanks for watching.